and I'm really grateful for ITSP for giving us this opportunity.
We wanted to make our hands dirty.
ना ITSP Institute Technical Summer Project.
आज एक्सपो है, कल रात को फाइनली उड़ा, कल रात को.
ITSP was one of the best competition.
Dedicated to make this come true, and that gave the ultimate level of satisfaction.
It was fun with coordinating all different kind of people with the ITC team.
Learned a lot about the topic like machine learning, reinforcement learning, and it was quite inspiring.
We designed the PCB with each other helps.
Controls took us around 5 to 10 days.
The students should use this entire campus and whatever is happening here to test their own ideas.
Ricochet, you take your